1. Get your green tea on. This herbal tonic gives you the benefits of L-theanine, a chemical that can help reduce the body's stress responses. Trusted source. Plus, just staring at a mug of the green liquid on your desk might calm you. 2. Thanks to the earthy color's ability to soothe. Trusted source. 2. Chillax with some chocolate when you need a quick break. Break off a square of dark chocolate to boost your brain health and reduce stress. Trusted source. As an added bonus, dark chocolate is lower in sugar than milk chocolate, but it hits the sweet tooth sweet spot. 3. Help yourself to a little honey. The amber elixir from our buzzy friends may help relieve anxiety, fight off depression, and even protect the brain. Trusted source. Drizzle honey in your tea, coffee, yogurt, or just go straight for the jar with a spoon. The sweet stuff also works for a quick energy boost. 4. Go tropical. Take a 5-minute break to peel, slice, and bite into a juicy mango. Weird fact: mangoes contain a compound called linalool, the main ingredient in lavender essential oil. And you know what lavender does? It may reduce stress and anxiety. Trusted source. 5. Chomp some chewing gum. Maybe you're stuck in annoying traffic, frantically cleaning the house before your in-laws show, or hammering out that final term paper. Chewing gum is an easy way to keep the stress monster at bay while potentially boosting your mood and productivity. Trusted source. 6. Crunch and munch. Instead of clenching your jaw, may as well put it to work. Trail mix, an apple, or some celery sticks provide a satisfying crunch to curb your spiral. Find some inner peace. 7. Meditate. No need to go on a week-long silent retreat with Zen-looking yogis to snag some serenity. It doesn't require completely clearing your mind, either. You can meditate in as little as 1 minute with visualization techniques. Give it a go before that meeting where you know Gretchen's going to get on your nerves. 8. Get your head below your heart. Put your head between your knees or stand and hang your head and arms toward your toes. Getting your noggin below your heart has restorative effects on the autonomic nervous system, ANS, lessening your reactivity to the fight or flight response. Trusted source. 9. Connect with your breath. You're probably already breathing unless you're holding your breath. We tend to do that when we're in a tizzy. Whether you're holding in your air, taking shallow sips of it, or hyperventilating, you might be adding to the stress response in your body. The good news is that taking slow, full breaths can calm you. Try a quick breathing exercise to get back to a more relaxed state. 10. Give yourself a squeeze. You know how your cat will go all rigid for a second, tensing all those kitty muscles, and then relaxing them? That looks kind of good, right? Well, you can try it too, or a version of it anyway. Progressive relaxation involves tensing and releasing muscles, body part by body part. You may not have time to do your whole frame in 5 minutes, but just arms, shoulders, neck, and head will suffice. Hey, press that I button to watch similar helpful videos. Please like, share, and subscribe to Everyday Infotainment. And if you have any suggestion, feel free to comment.